Hello. Hello, hello. How's it going? Finn, thank you for the lurk. Thank you for being first. No, I cannot take it away from you. You can have it. Sky Gray, how's it going? Mikey. Oh my god, Mikey. For those that don't know, Mikey Dojo Show had his first stream on Thursday. Shout out to Mikey Dojo Show. Look at all these first time streamers. He streamed Fortnite. I still don't know what Fortnite is, but I watched him play it for an hour. Congrats, Mike, on your first stream. But how's everybody doing? Sky, Finn? Well, Finn, you're eating dinner. You go eat your dinner. Did you enjoy it? Are you hooked? You hooked on streaming? What a beard on you? What do you mean? Same beard I always got. I'm hooked, baby. Yeah. Yeah, it happens. Just takes one stream and you're hooked. You had a nice turnout too. All your friends showed up. All right, so last time I was working on this stupid cutscene stuff that wasn't working, and I finally got it all working. In the final moments, got it all working. I'm making dinner, and I can't get over how much I love Lorelei and the laser eyes. That game looks interesting. I'm just so confused by it. You're just constantly walking around solving puzzles. I don't see what you're interacting with. You're just like, I gotta solve this puzzle, and then you take that clue and I gotta go put in the answer over here, and just like, where are you connecting the dots? Missing so much. But it looks interesting. It looks well done. All right, so now all these camera cuts, they work. They work. Not only do they work, but I adjusted it so that I don't have to like do a stupid cascading camera priority. The current one is 50 always, and then everyone else goes back to 1. Thank you, Gucci. Also, how are you, Gucci? Cog, yes, the NPCs have pants now. I love Luke and Lorelai, yeah. You're supposed to be? Everything fits together beautifully, but if you get lost, just ask. You mean with Lorelai? Nah, you just keep playing. Why did you drop out of Yale? Seriously, why did she do any of the things she did? I saw like some Instagram a couple days ago. Like I used to watch, or I used to watch. It was something like I used to watch Gilmore Girls, because of Rory, but now I watch it, realizing she's just a total mess. Like she's cheated on every boyfriend she ever had. She dropped out of college because like one tiny little thing happened to her, and it was just like a list of like 6 things that went on. It was like, yeah, she kind of like imploded there. I gotta hide these things. But these camera cuts are looking good. It feels alive. Dova, thank you for the bits. Instead of studying a language, I played a game where you study a language. That sounds good enough to me. The Gilmore Girls are awful people. I mean, Lorelai's better. She's better. I got a 103-degree fever at work due to staffing, and I feel like trash. Oh man, Dova, I'm sorry. But the Golden Girls are golden? Yeah, they are. If she had her shit together, it wouldn't make good TV. That's true. It's very true, Cog. Virtue, how's it going? All right, I'm going to make these chat icons go away when cutscenes start. I'm about to say something completely non-PG-13, but I finally remembered where I am. Oh god, Finn, here we go. Xlur, you are here. Welcome. Did everyone have a good weekend? It was a fun game. You solve puzzles while learning a made-up language, and it's surprisingly fun. Oh, it's not even a real language? I thought it was like one of those Japanese learning or language learning games. It's not even a real language? I don't know what to say about that. Weekend was fine. A week is not about to be. Uh-oh. I'm sorry. Make me duo, Dova. I just got to a new section. So let's see what I do. Talk about money. I don't want to learn new words on stream. So we'll go back. And we'll talk about use past tense. Actually, yeah, let's use some past tense. Let's do a legendary. Before I start, though. Oh, you did do Japanese. Oh, nice. I thought you said instead of studying a language, I played a game. So I assumed you didn't study. I'm not saying it. I'm going to DM you. The moment has passed, so it would be the weirdest DM you ever got. All right, go ahead, DM me. We're playing words on stream? No way. We're playing language on stream. Tatanai de kudasai. What does that mean? I'm already lost. Oh, tatanai, do not stand up. Huh. I don't remember learning that. Ringo ga nikko atta. I had 2 apples? There were 2 apples? Kaze, what? Kaze datta. Kaze datta. I don't know what that means either. I had a cold. Oh, right. Cold. Kono kagi o nakusanai de. Kagi is... See, this is the problem. I remember this lesson. It was so hard because I don't remember all the conjugations yet, and these conjugations are tough. Kagi. Oh, is kagi key? Yeah. Kono kagi o nakusanai de. I think it's don't lose this key. This key. Nakusanai. I don't remember how to say lose. Oh my god, these are tough. Onaka ga itai no de toire ni ikimasu. Okay, I think it's my stomach hurts. So I'm going to the bathroom? Yeah. My stomach hurts and I'm going to the bathroom. Because my stomach hurts, I am going to the bathroom. Hogai desu. Okay. Karada. Wait, is that karada? No. I don't know what this kanji is. This is but I'm assuming based on the conjugation it's this one. I don't remember. I thought that was karada. I exercise. Undo shimashita. Kino. No. Kino. Undo shimashita. Shita. Kino undo shita. I'm really bad with not using the mas form. I don't know what kanji that is. But I know it's a te form word. That's all. That's the only reason why I know that's right is because it's got to be te form. I don't remember what that is. Erabu. Erabu. Kokosei. 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 Which one is that? Kokosei. Is that like high school student? Erabimasu. Shizuka. Hosoi. I think it's thin, quiet, and I forget erabimasu. Takai ryori o eranda. Eranda. All right, I guess I'm going to find out. Nope. That's different. Expensive food. Eranda. Chose? Eranda is I chose. I chose expensive food. Or I chose an expensive dish. Naze. Why? Naze o sore. それをしなかったの。Oops. なぜそれをしなかったの? Why did you do this? Why did you do that? Is it just why did you do that? Yeah. Or why did you not do it? Why did you not do it? Yeah, that's we're not there yet. このコットはポケットが多すぎる. That's this jacket's got big pockets. This coat has, oh wait, no, too many? I guess too many pockets. All sugiru. Oh, right. Yeah. I haven't used that in a bit. Atarashi no ga hoshiin desu. I want something new? Hoshiin desu. Atarashi no ga hoshiin desu. I think as I want something new. I would like a new one. Okay. A new one I want. Yeah. その手紙に何と書いてあるの? This letter. What? Did you write? What did you write in the letter? What is written? What? Oops. Is written in that letter. その手紙に何と書いてあるの? Are you still up? まだ起きているの。まだ起きているの。 い。Next Monday. I don't know how to say that. 月曜日。来週月曜日は、今日、授業月曜日。来週は授業に始まる。Is that it? I don't think so. I don't think this is right. Nah. 授業は来週の月曜日. I just had this completely backwards. Whoops. 授業は来週の月曜日に始まる. I have not eaten yet. まだ食べない。食べなかった?食べていない? Nope. Nope. Get out of there. まだ食べていない. So that's, oh, okay. まだ食べていない. Whatever. 卵が6個あった. There were 6 eggs. All right. That took forever. That's okay, though. It's important to study. What did I learn? I don't know. I learned that I need to study more. All right. Let me catch up. And you have the worst memory for everyday stuff, so you wouldn't remember this conversation. You'd be like, is Finn okay? Yeah, I probably would do that. Did you message it to me? One of my family members enlisted for the military and he leaves for South Carolina tomorrow. I never really had a chance to say goodbye. Oh, dang, slur. That's big. Oh, they're talking about kanji I don't recognize. Well, I recognize it, but I don't know what it is. No, this dies with me. No DMs. Okay. I did play it before I studied Japanese, and then I decided to actually Japanese. There we go. You should 100% DM it to me. I do not have any context, but what can possibly go wrong? Talking is fine. It can help you process. Talking, for me, does not help me process. Actually, yes, it does. You're totally right. On the topic of duo, been doing Korean, and I'm probably going to get eaten if their Squid Game collab song has anything to go by. MDK, how's it going? It's informal. Yeah. I get really, really confused when like a decently long verb that I recognize because mas is associated with it gets broken down into like one syllable. And then it's like, and then that one syllable, the past tense is just one more syllable, ta. So dot ta. And when I hear that, it doesn't like mean, it doesn't have meaning to me. It's just sounds right now, which you can say about any language you don't understand. But I've heard these things over and over again. And when things just get shortened to just one sound or two sounds that are used everywhere, that's when I get so lost. High school student. Nice, I was right. Cole says high school student. Yes. Is Japanese a contextual language too? I know Korean has words change quite a bit depending on the context. Yes. Very contextual. I've missed this stream lots. Getting to sleep now. Keep up the good work. Jess Mariano forever. Dojo, have a good night. Okane. Money. That's right. Okane. All right. All right, let's begin. Let's begin. Oh. But yeah, I asked how everyone's weekend was going. Some of you said it was good. Some of you said nothing. Mine was amazing. I went skiing again. I'm so addicted to skiing. All I want to do is go skiing. And it's so easy to go skiing here, and it's so affordable, and I just want to keep going every day. Oh, play Rocket League. Come on, let me let me make something. Let me do one thing, and then I'll do that. I'll start the computer though. I said it was good. Enrico, I'm glad. If you're wondering, Duolingo is something, and the only word I care to know is I mean, I like that it looks like those two symbols look like two people holding hands. I really like that. Oh, I also forgot to turn my light on. Whoops. Bad streamer. Bad streamer. Oh, my computer won't find it. That's not good. There it is. There it is. Oh, look at how much better that is. I call it Stick Man and a table with a bowl. Pretty much. All right, so the one thing I'll do before I play Rocket League is I want the UI indicators over the characters' heads to go away when a conversation starts. And I also want them to scale based on their size. I want them to scale. That might not be possible right now. Let me go to an NPC. So generic, basic. This is the base NPC. They do this is built into the base NPC. Oh god. No clothing. Behave. Everyone behave. So thought canvas, chat panels. Game event listeners. Oh, look at this. I have one. When a festival is loaded, we disable this. Perfect. So I just want another one. A camera event listener? No. Cut scene event. Damn it. I don't have a cutscene event listener. I guess I need one. Let's make a new script here. A new Monty behavior. Cutscene event listener. I basically just want the game event listener also, but listening for cutscenes instead. Mono behavior. But this is now cutscene event. Cutscene event. Cutscene event. Cutscene event. Trigger events. So this is a cutscene event type. Cutscene Unity event. Game event. Cutscene event. I feel like I can make this almost a T-type. A generic, but Whatever. Cutscene event listeners. Cutscene event type. All right, is everything flipped? Whitechapel. How's it going? Thank you for the hydrate. How was your weekend? Shout out to the Whitechapel. Cutscene, cutscene, cutscene. Unity, cutscene, 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 cutscene. Cutscene, 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 cutscene. Okay. So, cutscene. No. Here. Cutscene. Cutscene event listener. I want 2. On start and on end. And the same thing, I want to basically copy these. Copy. Paste. Copy. Paste. So on end, we turn it back on. On start, we turn it off. And that should be that. I don't recognize those kanji. You have to understand, outside of the context of Duolingo, a lot of my kanji knowledge goes away because sometimes I'll know what like lesson I'm in, so I just know what kanji to expect, and then I can make the connection and remember it. And then once that lesson's over, if enough time passes, it's like, well, I'm not in the context of Duolingo anymore. I don't know what lesson I'm on. This could be anything. Okay. Their little things went away. Beautiful, beautiful. I just want to make sure they come back properly. And they came back properly. Look at that. It's beautiful. And they go away. All right. Let's do duo. Let's play a round of Rocket League. Hang tight. Uh-oh. I forget my password. There we go. Oh, annoying. Remind me later. But never. Remind me later, but never. There we go. Connect. All right, you should know the drill by this point. We're going to do one round of Rocket League. Continue. Okay. Accept. Okay. Sure. Yeah. Video games. Video games are bad. I get it. Let's go to my one game. Mard, how's it going? Mard, I'm so upset. Since I was away this weekend, I didn't do my daily Akaris, and I missed Saturday and Sunday. Those are the best. I missed the two best days. She's in Fortnite now, yeah. I still only kind of know who she is. They were difficult this week. I know, I saw everyone's big numbers. I'm like, ah. And then just logging, the Mondays always take less than 20 seconds. So I didn't even share the number I got today. It was like 15 seconds. I'm still getting used to typing it, but something. It's quite easy to read when you get the hang of it. Oh, Korean? Is that Korean? Google. Excuse you. Okay, that was pretty sick. I want to see that one again. All right, it's fine. Ameripon, Spot Monk, how's it going? Ah, shit. Shit. Oh, he can fly. And he can trick me. This person has very good control. I gave up on Sunday. Spot Monk, no. Yes. I'll take it. Even though it's casual, I'll take it. Oh, he's so quick. I can't reach him. No! Ooh. This guy's good. I should not win. Oh my god, I can't believe that happened. No. Close one. That was stupid. I just thought my car was facing the other direction. Bad. It's over. It's over. I lost my wits. Oh. No. Just ran out of boost that I jumped anyway. I try to ram him. It's over. Good game. Okay. That first one was very good. Now can I make a game? Now can I stop playing video games? Oh wait, I want to shut the PC down. Shut it down. Thank you, Mard. I'm trying. You're all redeem happy today. Okay. Peace and quiet. First you want me to focus, then you want me to dance to bacon pancakes. All right, that's done. That's done. What's next? I need my list to see what I'm missing. Also, I'm Maripon. Welcome in. I know I said hi to you already, but this is me saying hello from a non-distracted game state. Spot Monk as well. I love making Japanese sound so overwhelming by saying the truth. It is overwhelming. Korean, you have a horizontal vowel like that and a vertical one like that, which somehow turns into that. Should have done German. We have she and tsu are completely different. Yeah. And then and so. Yeah, those are tough. Those are tough for me. I always forget which one's which. Maripon, don't do that. Turgus! Turgus, how's it going? You know what I haven't visited in a bit? I haven't visited. Wait, what was that? There was an NPC on my property. Oh. Why isn't she despawned? That's weird. Oh, there's something to figure out. Also, my list. Content. Exclamation mark needs to go away. I think I did that, but you can now... You can still interact with the cutscene twice, so I do have to figure that. Make it so you can't interact with the same cutscene twice. Kilika! My weekend was great. How was yours? I saw you went live last night, or this morning? I don't know what it is for you. How was your stream? Camera needs to cut to speaker. Yeah, we got that. So the exclamation mark needs to go away. I got that, and then we need to make sure we can only interact with it once. And I think I'm going to do that with with quests. Basically, you know what I don't have? I don't have conditions. I don't have conditions on my interactables. I should probably have that, so that if I want to assign some kind of condition to it, whether or not it's interactable, I can. Let's do that. I should have that. I should have that interactable. So activity, no, not activity, is active. There should be in like an is active. Can interact with, and then public condition, interactable conditions, public date condition. No, wait, I think a date condition is inside of a regular condition anyway. Lua conditions, quest conditions. Oh, whoops. This is a condition. I need conditions. Yeah. I don't have date conditions here. I'll just leave that. It was good, thanks. It was Sunday morning for me. It was good, though. I wasn't as nervous this time around. Nice. How long did you go for? Slur, I'm very sorry. Cannot read that. All right, so this should be pretty easy to add. All I have to do is can interact with. This now needs to be a function instead of just calling it. Yeah, this. Can interact with. I need to make this a function call. Public void. Can interact with. Public bool, sorry. Bool. If conditions dot is true. I don't know. In keep game manager dot instance dot in. Return can interact with. Return false. Or how about if can interact with? I'll do this one first. And return this one. Because why do these complex conditionals? I don't have to. Right? That makes sense. If can interact with, then check the conditions. I have a set, but I also set it somewhere here. Let's actually, I'm going to make this private just so I don't accidentally call this anywhere. Let's make it protected. It's going to break the game completely, but that's okay. We can fix this. We can fix this. So now, set can interact with is false. Set can interact with true. This is a good optimization refactor. This is a good refactor. Can interact with, can interact with, can interact with. Got another one. Where? Where are you at? There it is. Here I set it. Destroy interactable. That's okay. It can call that itself if it wants. Room can interact with. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. This is for gathering decorations. Can interact with. That's a weird one. This is almost a separate instance, but I think it's going to be okay anyway. Yeah, neither can I. Did 3.5 hours, was absolutely shattered after. I don't know how you keep it up. I mean, 3.5 hours used to shatter me too. You just get used to it. I think as the more you stream, the less tense you are while streaming. So when you can be less tense, you can go longer. And when you're first starting out, you're super tense. And your brain is doing weird things that it's never done before. And your brain is it's a very energy consuming muscle. Gets easier. On that note, almost midnight, gonna sleep. Slur, have a good night. Science and I are making Booyah for partner emotes. No, you're not. Do not do that. I love that emote. It's just so full of energy. It really is. Shout out to Targus. Aaron, how's it going? Very true. I had a nice big nap afterwards. Post-stream nap. You should have streamed the nap. Wait. Toggle components. Mount. Mount.get component interactable equals toggle. I guess I just want set. Yeah, of course I do. Of course I do. It's good. I spent too much time on a small on small visual things. Hopefully people think they look nice. Like what? I saw you do some death animation. What else did you work on? Mind if I send you a link that could improve your Japanese reading? It's a book with different levels of difficulty. Yeah, definitely. No one wants ASMR of me drooling and snoring. You'd be surprised. You'd be surprised. Okay, so now I can set conditions on interactables. Let's see if that works. Let's say I have this crafting table right here. I'm going to duplicate it and make a new one. Oh, wait, I can't do that, actually. You can't just duplicate an interactable. Got to bring out a new one. So, crafting table. Not you. You. All right, so I got this one. Interactable conditions. I can say that you can't interact with this unless quest condition mystery favor is active. So let's see. Can't interact with that unless mystery favor is active. I can't interact with this right now. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. But now when I say watches, mystery favor, main state is active. Now we're active. If I go to interact with it, look at that. How cool. It's such a small thing, but I can't believe I didn't implement this earlier. Sninko wanted me to send you this. Free books. Oh, wait. Anihan sent me this a long time ago. This looks cool, though. I'm pretty sure I saw this book in a bookstore the other day. So if I set it back to Japanese. Boku no kazoku. My family. Right? Boku no kazoku. Kuma no nui gurumi. What? Kuma that's bear. I'm assuming Kuma is bear because I remember Kuma from Tekken. That was the bear's name. Kuma no Nuiguru. Nuiguru. What is Nuiguru? Let's see. Yumi-chan. Yumi-chan, I'm assuming that's a name. Yumi-chan ga daisuki. He loves Yumi-chan. Yumi-chan ga Akka-chan no toki kara. So, what is toki kara? Baby? This is Yumi-chan baby from Toki. I don't know. I don't know what Toki is. Zutoi. These are words I've never seen before. Zuto isho desu. Zuto isho desu. Don't know that one. Demo aru hi. However, something day. Let's translate this for a second. The teddy bear. Oh God, no. Oh God. The teddy bear is Yumi. Oh. Yumi-chan. Akka-chan. Oh, it's translating it strange because of the furigana. It does not translate furigana well. All right. I'm going to save this. I'll save this again and struggle through it. Stuffed doll. Oh. I was looking for coloring books the other day at a bookstore, and I learned how to say coloring book. Nurie. Nurie. And she looked at me and she was like, Otoko no nurie? I'm like, Otoko. Otona. Otona no nurie? I'm like, adult coloring book. Yes. Those are the best. When zero English is needed. Those interactions. They updated the golems, so they turn into a bunch of rigid bodies and fall to pieces when they die, and the dissolve effect is different, and they flash when they get hit, and the hit particle is better. Aaron, I'm sure people are definitely going to notice that. Sounds like a lot. Everyone, shout out to Aaron. I'll check out this website more later, too. There's a lot of books. Damn. Different levels. It's cool. So how do I make this go away forever and ever? There's many different ways I can do it. I can make it so this cutscene is dependent on a value, like a variable. I can just check if the cutscene happened, and once it happened, it'll never do it again. I can check a quest condition. Might as well check a quest condition. So who the J is Jarf. That's the new quest I made for this cutscene. So quest items, I can say, or yeah, quest and items. Who the J is Jarf. Attend the next town hall meeting on Sunday. I can just complete this. And then the condition for interacting with that is this quest being active. Easy. Easy peasy. Let's do that. So this interactable conditions. Condition. Quest condition. Who the J is Jarf is active. That's it. That's it. And then once it's not active, I can't do it again. So in this conversation, I need to complete this quest. So script quest who the J is Jarf. Success. Plus. Quest entry, who the J is Jarf. Entry number 1. Success. Apply. Great. So now let's just confirm that I can't do it again. Stinko said you should make a practice reading redeem. Is Stinko live right now? Are you having a conversation with him at this moment? Yeah, he is. I guess that is something I could do. I wouldn't mind doing something other than Duolingo. Maybe when someone redeems Duolingo, I'll just read a book instead. Wait, now I can't interact with this door. Why? Oh, God. Because... guest conditions count is greater than 0. Because the inn is null. So guest conditions count equal. So this has to be inside the inn. This giant inn if. Right? What's a guest condition actually? Let me just double check. Guest conditions. These are spawn check. None is spawn is despawned. Okay. Compare type NPC spawn check. I'm checking to see if these certain guests have been spawned. Why is it only guests? This could be anyone. I think I know why. I think I know why. So if guest conditions dot is not null, I'll just do that. If it's not null and count is greater than 0, that should be that. Decaf Wave, how's it going? Happy Monday? Happy Monday to you? Let's try this again. Getsuyobi desu. Getsuyobi desu, yo. I just need to make sure I didn't break literally every interactable in the game. I can still talk with Jimmy. Ooh, I still can't go in this door. Why? Pools.add. What is null? Baby, don't hurt me. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Pourquoi? Naze. Bools.add dialog system conditions is true null. What is null here? These can't be null. Is bools null? How can bools be null? I'm literally making it right here. Ooh, wait, what was that? What was that? Trigger event daisy chain. What is that? Did I make that? I did make that. What is this? Player selector on trigger enter other. I don't know what this is, I forget. Progress wa dou desu ka? Muzukashii ne. Hai, muzukashii desu. Yukuri desu. Itsumo warui. Ganbatte. Amari ganbatte nai. Wait, no, I said that wrong. I was trying to say, not quite doing my best. Is it ganbatta nakata? Ganbatta nakata. Amari te inai. Ganbatte inai. You were close. I needed the inai? So why does ganbatte not need ganbatte imasu? Or ganbatte iru, but ganbatte inai needs the inai. Ganbatte imasu, I'm doing my best. Ganbatte is do your best. That's right. That's right. You're right. Damn it. Wait. Yeah, because you're telling me to do my best. When you say it without the imas, that's not saying you're doing it. It's almost a command. It's saying to do it. I knew that. And I still forget. Yeah. Now, why is this coming back null? Who's null? Bools is definitely null. Let's see. Print bools. Print dialog system conditions. Fine. Debug.logit. I don't care. Whatever you do, put it on the screen. Was I confirming that line 184 was the line that they were taking me to? No. I really need this flipped. I need that sticker flipped. Who do I got to talk to? What if it is it every door? It's every door. Why? Why is it every door? So here's the list of bools, and then the dialogue system conditions are null. That's a serialized class that's like just everywhere. Like once you instantiate it, that's it. It exists. So why isn't it? Why does it not exist? Let's find out, shall we? Warp location. To garden shop. Nope. Warp location. Interactable. Here it is. Dialogue system conditions. They're right here. Which one is this? This is to hardware store. The dialogue system conditions are null. Even though they're literally, I'm staring at them. They're right here. Maybe when there's none. Oh, maybe when there's none, it is null. But then why can I interact with literally anything else? Oh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Okay. So I clicked on this one and I opened it up in the inspector. I think that spawned it. I think that like made it happen. Now that one has one. Now that one's fine. That you can't go in there. Did I click on all of them? Okay, look at this. So Vix is null, right? Vix is null. Null. Clearly null. Clearly null. If I go to... If I click on her warp... Here we go. This I just clicked on it. And now this has stuff, right? It's fine. What? Someone explain. Someone explain this to me right now. Get Unity in here. Only when I click on the object here does it serialize the public variable and create this class. Otherwise, it doesn't exist yet. But it's only on these doors. The NPCs are fine. This request board is fine. Here's Oriel's door. I click on it. Now it's fine. Very, very strange. So you know what I'm going to do is I'm just going to check for null. Maybe the dialogue system conditions have this weird thing where they don't instantiate unless they have values? Maybe. But this was never the case before. Oh, right, because this is new to interactables. So if dialogue system conditions does not equal null. Let's see. Was an ads? Sorry, no worries. I don't think I said anything. I saw the ads are going, so I stopped. Took a little break from Gravity as a lie to go over some notes about dev. My girlfriend already broke the game. Oh no. All right, let's see. So now it's fine. I can go in there. And I can't interact with this. But if I go to watches and I say who the J is Jarf, main is active, who the J is Jarf, okay. And here it is. Oh, wait, no. Let's unassign. If I go to unassign, look at that, I can't. Active, now I can. Okay. I guess I also want this question mark to only show up based on that quest as well. I hate this question mark. It hurts me. It hurts my soul. She found an exploit where you can skip to the end of the level, but it's frame perfect. Or where you can zip to the end. That's pretty impressive. right, so now how should I control this exclamation cursor? I guess I could just use the standard like I have quest listener, right? Quest listener. Quest state listener. I can add a quest state indicator. So I can add a quest state indicator and say none, none, and let's see, the exclamation cursor is 2, or I guess 1 in this case. And then who the J is Jarf, quest state indicator levels. If it's active, or if it's, yeah, if it's active, then indicator level is 1. Oh, no, it's more complicated than that. Well, this is going to make it so that it's only active at this certain time. I hate this. I guess this will make it so it never comes back. And then if it's none, or if it's unassigned, or if it's success, it's 0. Suppress on enter state events on start. Nah, don't suppress them. I think that's everything. I honestly don't remember. All right, so who the J is Jarf. Main active. This is active. I go into town hall. I can't interact with the chair. I fast forward a little bit. Everyone wants to talk. We can't interact with it until 9. If I talk to Eugene. Oh, right. Let me add that to the list. So have Eugene tell the player when to sit down to start the meeting. So at 8:55, boom, there it goes. At 9, it popped up. This exclamation mark popped up. I hold to begin the meeting. We're in the meeting. No UI. No UI. Okay, that's good. That's good. We get to the end. got this. I like your confidence. I hope you're right. Quest complete. And we can't interact with it again. The exclamation mark is gone. If I leave and come back, they're still sitting. I still can't interact with it. It already happened. That part of the game is over. Perfect. Oh, also there's a clock back here, and it does not sync with the game time, which it totally can. I have a script that will sync clocks to game time, so I should do that. Okay. This is good. This is good. All right. Perfect. That was it. Make sure we can only interact with it once. Great. It must coincide with the quest, though. If I ever do generic weekly meetings that you can just join and see your weekly stats, I will have to think of something else. Maybe every Sunday morning you get a quest to go join the meeting, and every time the meeting's over, the quest finishes, and it's literally the same quest finishing over and over. That's not that bad of an idea. And then depending on which quest is active, that's how I know which cutscene to trigger. Of course, that's just normal stuff. All right, so have Eugene tell the player when to sit down to start the meeting. So I can say if Eugene is at a certain hotspot, i.e. the podium, and the cutscene hasn't started yet, but how do I know the cutscene hasn't started yet? Every single cutscene has its own conditions. So that's not good. That's not good. How do I make it so that Eugene says something helpful? Only pre-meeting. It's almost like I want a global variable where it just ticks on and off every time, and it's just for Eugene. I don't want to do that. Let's see. I think I have a conversational thing where they have to be at a certain hotspot. Do I have that? Let's see. It should be in the like NPC system. Hello. Oh, Julie Day. Welcome in. Sorry, I couldn't read that. Thank you for the raid. Rag host, welcome in. Julie Day, welcome in. Thank you so much for the raid. How are you? How was your stream? What did you do today? Shout out to Julie Day. Welcome in, Raiders. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm working on a cozy life sim Innkeeper-Sim. And today I'm working on cutscenes. Wait, what? Double raid. Double raid Hypnotic. Welcome in. We literally 15 seconds ago just got raided by Julie. Thank you for the follow. VFX for 16 years. Yeah, I'm old. Hypnotic, how's it going? Ray Ghost. Thank you so much for the follow. to everyone coming in on Hypnotic's raid. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. Working on a cozy life sim, Innkeeper-Sim called Alpine Lake, and today is all about cutscenes. Trying to make them future-proof. I'm trying to figure out how to get them going all the time. I'm doing good. I had a really good weekend. I went skiing this weekend. I was freaking like addicted to skiing now. And now I'm just ready to get some work done. Julie and Hypnotic, both of you, please share what you worked on today or what you did or what you played. I don't... yeah, Julie, I actually don't know who you are. I'm going to give you a follow. But Hypnotic, I know who you are. So please tell us what you were working on today. Why does your dinosaur have nostrils that blast lasers and wink? That is the age-old question. Meow Mew, thank you for the follow. Also, all new follows increase the elevation of Alpine Lake, the main town in the game. So now we're at 9. And it's getting a little, the oxygen's getting a little thin. We're getting a little thin. I've been making a microphone array today. Whoa, that sounds complicated. That sounds complicated to me. What does that mean? Doing some game jam stuff with Code, Wonderland, Otter Makes Games, and Symbol. Nice. But yeah, everyone, shout out to Hypnotic as well. Which jam are you working on? Are you? Why am I even asking? Of course you're working on the Pirate Jam. Of course you are. I know there's a lot of jams going on right now, a lot finishing up. You've been working on stuff for Pirate Software Jam as well. Nice, nice. Pirate Jam and Indie Stream Team Jam. You're working on both jams? Are you making 2 games? That sounds intense. I can barely work on 1 project, let alone 2. Also, hang on while I fix the exposure. There we go. Same game matches both themes? Is that allowed? Is that against the rules? I don't know. And the time frames are 6 hours different? Perfect. So yeah, what was I working on when you both came in? I have these cutscenes that trigger at a certain time when certain NPCs are in a certain location and you have a certain quest associated active. So that's 4 different conditions. And now I want to add a thing that when there's an NPC nearby, before you can interact with this cutscene, I want him to tell you how to interact with the cutscene. So I'm trying to figure out the best way to do that so that the character has a certain conversational item that they say in anticipation of this cutscene. And I'm not exactly sure how to do it because there's going to be so many cutscenes at this exact location that I don't want to do this condition like multiple times. But I can if I have to. Or I can just ignore it. I can just not have... This is supposed to be helpful, but I could just not do this. I can just say screw it. As long as the game is made within the game jam time. Well, yeah, I guess so. Why not? I've seen in some rules it's like no double dipping, but if it's not in the rules, right? I'm not like an experienced jammer. All right, so when everyone sits down at 9 o'clock, I can interact with this. So this is confusing because everyone's here, but it's not 9 yet. I think that's confusing, and the player just has to literally run around until 9. And now that it is 9, oh, the quest isn't available. Sorry. Who the J is Jarf, main quest, active. Okay, there we go. So now you can interact with the cutscene. That's confusing. There's got to be a better way. I have too many conditions on triggering the stupid cutscene. I care about too much. Kilika! 8 months! Oh my god. I feel like you just subbed like 3 days ago. That's crazy. Kilika, thank you so much. 8 months. I appreciate it. This feels a little stale because the animation, the characters all just do the same thing. I need custom animations now. I need like seated emotes. I need them to get upset and happy and have talking like not emotes, but animations. Do I have seated stuff? Let's see. Augie, how's it going? Excuse me. Getting big me vibes? Yeah. Where have you been, sir? What do you mean? I took off Friday. I streamed I guess I only streamed twice last week. I was very busy. Very busy. The new year has been very busy. How have you been, Augie? Balint! Balint! How's it going? Thank you for the bits. I have created Minecraft. Oh, be careful. Don't go chasing waterfalls. You know what they say. Balint, how are you? He doesn't believe me about the booyah for partner emotes. Do not make me booyah for partner emotes. We're not making partner. Watering chase falls, exactly. I was just creating a building system. I'm basically done. Nice, nice. I saw the preview. They look awesome. Stop it. Stop it. Doing okay, sir. Just having dinner. What's for dinner tonight? People are telling me this is called a voxel engine. You mean like, or is your building system tile the same tile system as your terrain system? I just wanted to raise and lower the terrain. I know you've gone down the deep end. Rabbit hole. Hashtag rabbit hole. When are we getting turtle emotes? I forgot about that. Yeah, I can do that soon. It's pretty easy to do that, right? Just to turn a clip into an emote. I'll open up Maya to remind myself. I'll open up the flip turtle. I basically have Animal Crossing's terraforming gameplay now. That's awesome. That's awesome. Last I saw your stream, you were wondering how to deal with the waterfall geometry and like viewing it from the side. Did you sort that out? Balint. I did not know you can do that. That's amazing. Fal, thank you for the lurk. Fanny, I'm doing good. How are you? Technically, no. I just left it as it is. I should be remodeling the waterfall soon, though. Unflip Turgus? Wait, there's an unflip? You know so much about Seribot. Zimian, good morning. Fanny, thank you. All right, focus. What was I doing? I was deciding what to do about Eugene. How to have him tell you to sit down. Here's what I'm actually going to do. So, for time-sensitive events, they show up here. Oh, sorry for the flashbang. Maya, you're the worst. You're the worst, Maya. We're going to open up the turtle anyway. Okay. So I have this little user interface helper that shows me when a festival is about to begin. Maybe I have it for meetings as well. So quest listeners, nah. Time sensitive events. Where are you? Managers? Is it a manager? Time sensitive event manager. So I have this town hall meeting day 1. Wait, why didn't this show up? Why doesn't this show up every time I start this game? I think it's because it listens for time tick events. Yeah. Thank you for that level 1 hype train. I appreciate it. T-pose intensifies. My eyes. I know. I'm sorry. Panzer. Ridiculous. He better not have been saved as flipped all this time. I've got bad news for you, Gillica. He's been on his back this whole time. So I guess I have to render it, right? Actually, I don't have to render it. I can I can play blast it with just a black background. What should the emote? What should the camera angle be? Like this? It can be tiny, right? 128 by 128. No, I'll do 512 by 512. .512 by 512, and we'll play blast, and we'll make a image sequence of TIFFs and custom from render settings. Browse. I'll put it. Let's say flipped turtle GIF. Save. Dot tiff. Or yeah, I'll just say that. Play blast. And then how do I make a GIF out of that? I forget. Don't I actually, yeah, I want a QuickTime. Let's make a QuickTime. H.264. Same thing. Play blast. Oh, it's too small. It's too small. It needs to be bigger. Make sure it doesn't Cropped. Nope. All right, good. Good, good, good. Turn this off. Play blast. So now it looks like this, right? And then the best way to make this into a GIF is, what was that website? Animated GIF make. EasyGIF.com. EasyGIF.com. Irish John told me about this site, and it's fantastic. It's fantastic. This is such a diversion. Thank you, Turgis. My Innkeeper images. Flip turtle GIF. MOV. Drag and drop. So to GIF, it is, yeah, we want to loop it. Frame rate, FPS 10. Yeah, sure. How do I say loop? Loop-de-doop. Do I have to? Does it automatically loop? To GIF. Convert. Convert. Go. Oh, that's terrible. No, we want more frames per second. We want 25 frames per second. Why is it so slow? 12 seconds. Wait. What? Oh, there we go. It was just loading. That's nice and smooth. We advise you to optimize the GIF to reduce its size. Nah, get out of here. It's perfect. Gimme. Save image as. I hate that. Anytime I go into my downloads folder, anytime a thing goes into my downloads folder. Oh, it's not visible anymore. Okay. It's not visible anymore. All right, well, other stuff, other very revealing things are there. So maybe not. Maybe let's not. So I have Mossy Grove, Twitch, emotes, flipped turtle, save. It's 1.5 KB. What's the max? What's the size it has to be? What's the max size? Content? No. Viewer rewards, emotes. I forget. I have 5 open animated slots. It has to be less than 1 megabyte. Okay. So let's just resize. 256. 256. Resize. Okay, cool. Save. Flipped turtle 256. There we go. 500 KB. Auto resize. Oh, wait a minute. But this is on a black background. I need it to be alpha. That's not going to work, is it? Oh, because it's a freaking MP4. It can't do it. How do I make it so that there's no alpha here? Do I need to use like After Effects? After Effects. Might be too large for this. Now it's fine size, and now it's just I want the alpha. Also, what should it be called? What should this emote be called? Booyah Yurt. Soul, how's it going? I missed you before. I think it needs to be over a light background. Play blast. All right, we want to GIF maker. Go back. Video to GIF. Go back. So we want to resize it to 256 by 256. Resize. And now to GIF. 25 frames per second. Convert. Save. Light. Can I just overwrite this? I can. Booyah fruit? No. Booyah stuck. Does Booyah flip? Jesus, Turgus. Turgus, come on. All right, did that work? There it goes. It doesn't look like what it is. It's actually really hard to tell what it is. It's not a good emote. Not a good emote. If you make it big, it works. I got told to go and make a layout for a screen I've never seen, so I have spent now like 10 minutes trying to find it and sending my boss screenshots of different screens. They could have just showed you the one, right? All right, until I make this better. That's all we're doing. That's all we're doing. All right. Try to find a way to get rid of the background. Yeah, I need to do that. I just not sure it's priority right now. That's as much effort as I'll put into it for the moment. If people actually use it, then I'll fix it later. Unflip, Killica. Oh, he has not even replied to the one? That's annoying. Is there an effect in EasyGift called remove background? There is. Remove background. Wait, there is. Wait a minute. Wait. All right. I'll spend one more second on it. If I do this. And I go to effects. Oh. Computer! 10 months? Oh my god. Oh my god. That's crazy, computer. Thank you so much. Rotate 180 degrees, please. No way. Wait, it won't let me remove the background. Every time I drag this in, it goes away. Add effects to animated GIFs. Oh, I think I need to make it a GIF. I need to make it a GIF first. Okay. Okay, we make it a GIF first. We say 25 frames per second. Method. Preserve transparency. No, whatever. Convert to GIF. Now we can go to effects and we can remove background. No, dang it. Can I go back? Oh, okay, I can go back. Replace with transparency. Custom. I don't know. What is this hex? Hey. How do I get this hex color? Photoshop. Should have just used the black one. Okay, it's Ayo. Custom. Don't stack frames. Remove the frames when it's time to display the next one. 2% fuzziness. Apply. I mean, I hate that. I hate that. Can we try again? 4% or 10%. Apply. That's better. Whoa, nope, not better. We can live with this. Okay. And now resize. 256, 256. Resize. Save. Okay, flip turtle, 256. Transparent. Can I edit this? I think I have to delete it. I have to delete it. That actually looks great. Whoa, no it doesn't. That's weird. It's doing some strange things when it's shrunken. Let's see. Flip. Yeah, it has this like really strange effect. You didn't remove layer? I mean, this is what it should look like. This is what it looks like. All right, I'm gonna do it the proper way some other time. I'll put back the one over light background. All right, we're back to the light one. Now he's drunk and flipped. No, now you're drunk. He's flipped and you're drunk. Don't save. All right, let's make a video game again. Have Eugene tell the player when to sit down and start to make. No, I want to make sure that the thingy always shows up. And why isn't the thingy showing up? Well, time-sensitive event manager. Today's events. Meeting event. The meeting event should always show up. Why doesn't the meeting event show up? Is event active today? Is event active? Is meeting time? I want to register it. I want to register this thing. Which, in turn, throws this event. This show event. This is what I want. I want you to do this, please. Why isn't it doing this anymore? Well, let's find out. All right, I got to get some sleep. Turgus, thank you for the lurk and have a good night. Praise the lake, but not the flip tortoise. No, I'm sorry. Check events. When am I checking events? Only on the start of... Okay, that's the problem. Start of day does not get called when I just hit play. Does start of day get called when I enter from the start menu, though? Start menu. Let's see. Load game. Grace. No. No start of day. Well, what do I do about that? Print. Hi. The fuck? Oh, computer. Sorry, I missed your message before. How are you lovely people? Are we doing a marketing? No, we're just making an emote. I kind of got exhausted with marketing for a bit. I was on a roll. I was really good with posting updates on Twitter and Blue Sky every day. And I don't know. I felt momentum. I definitely felt momentum. And then something happened and I stopped. And I've never gotten the flow back. Hi, WTF. It actually is working. So check events. Is event active today? Okay. Print. Hi. You're like my game tip social media role model. Now I've stopped though. I've totally stopped. Hi. Yes, something is today. Property. Dot name. How are you doing though, computer? It's been a minute. I feel like we haven't caught up in a while. Hi, yes, something is today. Town hall meeting. Okay, show me. Today's events ad. Why isn't it showing me the UI anymore? Time sensitive events. Today's stuff. Yeah, right here. What does register mean? So when I register it, I show it. So why wouldn't it show? What would stop it from showing? I have alerts. I have time sensitive alert. Time sensitive alert containers hidden. Is this why? No, container set active true. It should be doing this. Print. Show the event. Print. Hide the event. Maybe it's like hiding right away. I stop it from showing with sheer willpower. Meow. Meow move. Come on. How am I supposed to finish this game if everyone is using their willpower against me? Sorry, day job's keeping me wrapped up. Meeting marathon starts in 2 minutes. Ah, computer, come back to me. Just want to pop in and say hi. Hopefully one day soon I'll have some free morning time. I hope someday too. Everyone, while computer's in meeting hell, the least you can do is go to the Quizzard's domain Steam page, which is his game that he's making, and give it a wish list. It's a trivia, it's a brawler trivia game. It's like if you take Smash Brothers and trivia. It's like Trivial Pursuit and Smash Brothers and make it a game. Show the event. Look at that. Show the event. But why? Why won't it unhide? What if something else? Also, why is that pulsing so slowly and weird and creepy? It has a scale pulse on it. All right. So if this is always in the corner, then I'm okay with Eugene not saying anything. It's very clear and obvious that there's a town hall meeting in town hall at 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. It's very obvious. If it's not obvious, please raise your hand and we will figure out why for you this is not obvious. Otherwise, what should I do about this? Why is this not unhide? Oh, I know why. I know why. No, I don't. Nope, I don't know why. I thought it was because when things are hidden, they can't hear events, but they're clearly hearing events, and it's not even the thing that's hidden. This is the thing that's listening. It's always unhidden. Did I somehow lose a connection? Container. Image. Oh. This is the thing that's hidden, but this is the thing that's unhiding. All right, we figured it out. But why is that thing hidden? Because I was taking screenshots. because I was taking screenshots and I turned it off and I forgot to turn it back on. User error. Massive, massive user error. Idiot. Happens all the time. Coursing. I am so stupid. I am so stupid. I came in here and I turned it off because I wanted the game view to have less stuff on it, just because I wanted to take a screenshot, and I just never turned it on. I never turned it back on. Like a moron. Alerts. If I revert, yeah, it's supposed to be that. What I can do is I can turn this one off, because that one gets managed separately. Wardstone, how's it going? There we go. Look at that. Town hall meeting from 9 to 3. When does that go away? Ooh, I've got nasty overlapping UI. Nasty. Nasty stuff. Excuse me. Oof, and then conversations go over it like that. Really ugly stuff. All right, what's the best way to deal with this? First of all, this thing is going to show up every week. But again, there's not a meeting every week. I have to do it based on quest conditions. I just have to have one per quest. I've been lurking, but now I have to leave and do work stuff for real. Just want to say hi and thanks for being my peaceful background. I heart. Have a good day at work. And thank you for the lurk. Yeah, I don't know what to do about this. I do need to take a break, though. I need to take a few minutes break. What is this? Uh-oh. What is that? What is this? No, why am I noticing all this weird stuff now? Is that in play mode? No, it's not. Okay, whatever. All right, I'm gonna take a few minutes break. I'll be back. I hope everyone can also take a break yourself. Get up, stretch, walk around, get some water. I'm gonna grab some water too. I'll be back in 2 minutes. All right, I'm back. We were having such a good time without... Finn, that's so mean. Why would you be so mean to me? Oh my god. Oh my god, why can't I believe you're so mean to me? I can't take insults like that. It's too real. My boss told me that if there's a very detailed stuff to do on a layout, then he could do it himself. Why did he hire me then? Why am I here? Zibian, I'm sorry about your situation. I think that's the hardest part, is when your job is confusing and you just don't know how to proceed. And you're trying to do your best. And someone is expecting things of you without giving you enough information. It's got to be very frustrating. Oh, look at this. Conditions. I can actually say the quest condition, who the J is Jarf. And maybe that'll work? Maybe. Only if this is active. So maybe... maybe it won't show up now. Free thinking, an independent cat, which is French for chat. Or free thinking and independent chat, which is French for cat. I'd hire you to make me look good? Are you talking to Zimian or me? So what was the point of that? This quest is not active yet. This is showing up. So what do the conditions do? Let's see. They might not do anything yet, and I might have to implement them right now. So use conditions, condition. Oh, right. There's a checkbox that says use conditions. Shout out a friend. I like it when people do that. Let's see. Who's a friend that you might not know? Let's see. Well, Augie was here before. We should shout out Augie. Do you guys know Augie? Augie's game dev. Really great artist. Works on very cute things. Is making... he says he's making a Tamagotchi-like creature collector with some light terrain generation, but apparently now he's making Minecraft with all that stuff in it. Sninko? No, I mean, the Redeem says you don't get to choose. It's just making me choose a friend, and I try to choose people that don't come here often because they're probably sleeping in another time zone. But Augie's worth a shout out. Yeah, he doesn't care about your friends. Nah, I don't care about your friends. Augie's a good lad. Yeah, he is. Hey, so I had just had to spend $300 on cable management stuff so Mochi doesn't electrocute himself, so that's fun. Oh, God, $300 on cable management. That sounds terrible. I had a dream last night that someone like left 10 dogs on my at my house, and I didn't want any of them, and I was like trying to get their attention and trying to like get them to come to me so I can give them back to the owner. And the owner was like, yeah, they're not really my dogs. Can you really own a dog? And I got so mad. I'm like, what the do they do they stay with you? And he was like, yeah. I was like, then they're your dogs. I was getting so mad at this person in my dream. And they were just running around everywhere. And I woke up and I'm like, ah, I missed my one dog. All right, so time sensitive. All I got to do is click this checkbox, right? Yeah, use conditions. So use date conditions and use regular conditions. Now, this is only for Jarf. And now it doesn't show up. Perfect. So if I fast forward a little bit, so let's go to another day, and I'll set this to active now. I'll set this to active. So now I have the quest. And then here's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. This is the next week. And we have a town hall. Town hall meeting. So now that we have a town hall meeting, Biggs, where have you been? You haven't streamed since like 2024. How are you doing? I streamed 2 days ago. I don't know. I don't know if that's true. I can't confirm. So it's pretty clear and obvious that that meeting starts at 9. Yeah, but now it's not. Okay. This is fine. I don't need any more information. Hold space to begin meeting. That thing does not go away. All right. So we need to deregister. We need to unregister that when the meeting happens. We need to unregister it. Or like 2 days ago, you know nothing, Andrew Snow. You mean Jon Snow? Also, shout out to Finn. Finn played a game today. It was interesting. The graphical style. Can you please describe the graphical style of Lorelei has laser eyes? It was like everything in one. Like every asset was a different style. Sometimes it would be cell shaded. Sometimes it would be low poly texture. Sometimes it would be like just a constant color. Sometimes it would be a wireframe render. Sometimes it was glowing. Like every single object in the game had a different style to it. Isometric retro noir, but I mean like the visual style. Like what was going on? I think it worked. I think it definitely worked somehow. It's like someone had the models and they had effects that they were just choosing at random. And just like, okay, I'm going to put this effect on this object and this effect on this object, and then putting it together like a collage. Because every scene was like a very well put together collage. It's interesting. There's specific parts of the game. Overall, it has that style. Yeah, stylistic reasons, of course. It was interesting. I enjoyed watching it. It was very pleasing to watch. It was a good stream game. Even though I was confused most of the time. I think this is good. No, now I need it to go away. Okay. We need it to go away. How do we make it go away? Well, how do they normally go away? They normally go away when hide event container set active false. At the end of the day, we just straight up hide it. And oh, completed. Completed. So there is a completed. How about this? I'll say public. No, private. Time sensitive properties. Current event properties. We'll reference it. So properties. Current event equals properties. And then hide event won't hide it, but hide event will hide it, but it won't kill it. Complete event will kill it. Current equals null, and then hide event. And then we can say show event if current event properties does not equal null. Whatever. I'll just leave it. I'll just reset it every time. Actually, no. You know what? I do want to just show event if properties equals null and current event properties does not equal null, then do everything without doing this. Yeah, if properties does not equal null, we set it here and then do the thing. If it does equal null, we do the last one. Yeah, if it is null, if it's still null, return. So if it's not null, we're going to override it. If this is null, maybe I'll check if this is null, and then we'll return. If not, then yep, okay. So hide event, we want complete event, and then what? So I basically need a very easy way to say complete this event. That's very easy. That should be easy. I can just put that in the scriptable object, reference the scriptable object in a interactable event, and then complete it. Done. Time sensitive event. Public void complete event. Time sensitive event dot trigger complete, and the property is this, and that's it. Done. Done. Sparky, how's it going? I'm looking forward to this game. Me too. I'm looking forward to finishing this game. Geofracture Games, good morning. How are you? Oh, we're in ads. Oh, I'm sorry, we're in ads. I'll say it again. I'll say it again later. Let me know if you heard me. Town hall scene. Let's actually switch up the music too. Let's do some Killica beats. All right, this is a mammoth thing. So now when you interact with this, not only do we begin this conversation, but we also complete this task or this time-sensitive event. So assets, time-sensitive event meeting day 1. Complete the event. And that should make it go away. Okay, welcome back from ads. Sparky, if you didn't hear me before because you were in ads, I'm sorry. Welcome in. How are you? And Geofracture Games, same to you. How are you both doing? Some proper concentration deving going on today? Yes, today, in the beginning was a little rocky, but I'm doing better now. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I had a good weekend. I had a lot of fun this week, too much fun this weekend. And some very interesting things happened in the world of Alpine Lake last week that I can't talk about. So that's that. And this didn't work. We did not complete this. Why not? A rather unusual man named Jarv has shown up in town. That's sad. Exciting. Maybe. Maybe. You never know what's exciting and what's not exciting. You just don't know. So why didn't that get completed? Oh, I have a null. A null ref. That's okay. That always happens. I'll have to figure that out one day. Today is not that day. Nope. I said today is not that day. So what am I doing wrong? I definitely set the scriptable objects function call correctly, right? Let's double check. Load scene. You know what I'll do? I know what I'll do. I'll make it a button. See if the button even works. I'll make it a button. Button. Using sierranex.odin inspector. So here it is. If I go to complete the event, boom, it goes away. Interesting. So why didn't it work when I pushed the button? Why? I wonder if because my interactable can only support doing one thing at a time. Like, I have multiple events being thrown when I interact with this cutscene, with this interactable. 1, 2. It does this one and it doesn't do this one. If I move this one up, I have a feeling this will complete, and then this won't start the cutscene anymore. And then I'll know what's going on. I think I have these weird callbacks on those actions, and once I do one, I break out of it. But I have to do all of them. I've never really had an interactable that did multiple things. Yes, that's exactly how to play the game. All right. So now if I begin the meeting, nope, still did it. And it didn't do this. I wonder if that does nothing. There must be a different way. Yeah, the button is for the win. On use. Oh, I don't use this anymore. I don't use this. This is on use. This doesn't do anything anymore. How do I start this conversation? What? I can put it here. I can put it here. Okay. That's why. I do not use these events. I need to get rid of them. So let me copy this. Paste it here. No, I can't. I gotta just do it again. Time sensitive complete event. I think this doesn't do anything. It shows me a player interaction charge help because I tell it to. And because there is a dialogue system trigger on it, it just does this. And if I get rid of this event right here, which is tricking me because I thought it was real. It's not real. It's a fake news event. It's got no events on it now. It should still work and it should do exactly what I want. And then life is grand. Life can be grand again. All right, we don't need our bike. We don't need our bike. My wife told me to make the shoes bigger, and I did, and I think it was a good call. I feel like their bigger feet make them look better. All right, everyone's going to go sit down. And sit down. Boom. Okay, it went away. Cool. Yay. Yay. And then? That's it. We're done. We're out. Okay, cool. Everything's clean now. Clean and neat. The only thing I don't like is that when there's a time-sensitive event in the corner and you go into a conversation, the letterboxing covers it. I'll have to do something about that. But for now, I'm going to take that as a win. I did some stuff today. So what do we do today? Have Eugene tell the player when to sit down to start the meeting. Nah, we didn't do that because I don't like it. Just time-sensitive events show up during certain conditions and can be completed. I'll take that one. Great. That's my whole to-do list for today. And with that, it's time to go. Let's find someone to raid. It's time to go. Who should we raid today? Hey, Finn, should we go back to Randy? We got this person, this person, this person, this person, this person, this person. No, 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 no. All right, we're gonna go meet another new friend. I've seen them around the Twitch universe. They're doing art right now. Sometimes they do software. We're gonna raid Doige. All right, everybody. Let's do some credits. Excuse me. Do credits even work anymore? They didn't work last time. Let's see if they work this time. Oh, they work this time. Nice. Meow Mew, thank you for the follow. Ray Ghost and Julie. Killican Computer, thank you for those resubs. That's amazing. Dova and Belint, thank you so much for those bits. Finn on Computer, thank you for modding. And Julie and Hypnotic, thank you for those raids. Everybody, today was a good day back. Hope you all had a good weekend. I will be back tomorrow. Should be a normal stream week. I don't foresee any canceled streams this week, but you never know with me. I'm very fickle. Sketchy Wolf just downloaded and started playing the demo. Night, everyone. Sketchy Wolf. Thanks for checking it out. And welcome in. And maybe I'll catch you next time. Let's go say hi to Doige. I actually don't know how to pronounce their name. I know it's 2-streamer team. Well, let's go say hi before they get too busy. Usually they have a lot of viewers. I don't like to raid people that have too many viewers. But, all right, everyone. I'll be back tomorrow. It's pronounced Doige.